Hello and welcome to ActivTrades Biggest Market Movers. Today we'll be taking a look at the British pound against the US dollar. We'll be having a look at the recent trading history in this currency pair, and I'll be trying to identify some key technical levels as we move towards the all-important Federal Reserve meeting this week. So last week, for the first time, we had some very soft data come out the UK, the PMI services data, and it was really the first time that we've seen a substantial weakening of the economic data in the aftermath of the Brexit. And of course, sterling has been very subdued in trading since that data come out, and we saw a sharp fall off from the 32.80 area. And of course, it's really spooked a lot of traders that we may now see a lot of very important data relating to the British economy is also going to come out weaker than expected. As we move towards the all-important interest rate decision, I have in front of me here some very important levels to watch out for, and we can see if we can get some further fall off in sterling to the downside, or it can remain steady around the 130 level, try to find some buyers and move up towards the 135 price range. So here in front of me, we're currently sitting at around the 130, 113 level. In black here is really the pivot. It's the pivotal area for sterling this week. It's around the 130.58 area, and really it was the low of last week, and if we do get any bounces from this area, then we may head back towards the 32.90, which was of course the drop-off point last week when we had that horrendous data come out from sterling. So if we do break the key pivotal 130.58, we can expect a crucial test of the 128.88. That's a long-term Fibonacci number, and it's also been an area that's proved quite hard to break sometimes on the downside for traders. So they'll be watching that very closely for bounces, and if we do see a very subdued fall under the 130 area, and we do start to move quite gradually towards the 128.88, it may be an area where traders will look to really assess things and maybe step in from this area. Of course, the low on sterling that's been set on Brexit is currently sitting around 127.78, and if we lose that level, we can see some substantial losses, I think, and this is really, the last line of defense on sterling. If we move to the upside or the resistance area, 132.90, like I say, is really a key level, and watch for daily closes above this area on sterling for indications of strength. And then of course we move to the Brexit bounce area at the 135.30, and really we need to start trading above this area if we do get some strength in sterling, and we need to break this and change the dynamics on the pair and start to make higher highs. So for the moment, we can assume that we'll be trading between the 130.60 and the 132.90 ahead of the Federal Reserve meeting. It'll be very interesting to see the statement that comes out from Janet Yellen, how sterling acts towards that. Thank you very much. This has been ActivTrades Biggest Market Movers.